iSearch Document Orchestration and Cognition Agent understands business documents across industries, from finance and logistics to manufacturing and more. It automatically collects email attachments and reads photos and scanned documents from folders, so automation starts right at the source. Powered by AI intelligence, the system can automatically generate extraction templates or allow users to define fields through simple conversations, accurately capturing key document information, with humans only needing to review and confirm the results. The agent handles the entire workflow end-to-end, writing clean, structured data back into business systems based on business rules, while automatically sending processing confirmations, achieving full automation across document acquisition, classification, content extraction, validation, and data processing. When it comes to deployment, it offers a public cloud service with pay-per-page pricing for rapid rollout.
Today, iSearch Document Orchestration and Cognition Agent helps enterprises eliminate repetitive work, reduce errors, and move business faster.